Greetings and blessings, my wonderful friends. How you doing? You one day suddenly start realizing that the number 1111 is appearing everywhere. You wake up, here it is. You watch your phone, 1111, and also various other numbers, 222, 333, 111, etc. So you're wondering why this is happening in my life. I personally have seen people for many years watching the repetition of such numbers in their own lives without knowing why such thing happens. So you go into the internet, you log in, you start typing 222, 111. Here you go, 333, angels have your back. 222, the angels have your back, and your side back. 777, the angels have your back, and bunch of nonsense. And unfortunately, the people are following this, being so naive, and they are losing track. They're eventually losing the real message and their real destination, because they are always wait for some saint or some angel or some Jesus Christ to come and save them. So why you should never search in the mainstream? Always the mainstream media is over-popularized, which means that they have traffic. So most of the articles are sugar-coated, created in such and such way to attract more and more people and keep creating traffic in order to make more money. That's it. And you have to realize it. And when you are going to start searching from within your experience. How does that number resonate with you? Second, start reading numerology, mathematics, and the correlation between numbers and different schemes. Perhaps number 3 is a triangle, number 4 rectangular, square, so on and so on. There is a correlation between numbers, geometrical patterns, and not only. If you read tarot, you are going to see the amazing science and the connection between planets, numbers, elements of nature, so on and so on. I will tell you only one example, because I would like to tell more in upcoming videos. Let's say number 2. What does number 2 represent? Of course, angels always have your back, and you don't have to go search, because no matter what are you going to search, mainstream media. Number 2, duality, hot, cold, good, bad. So perhaps you are in a state of confusion or choosing between two things. Go in tarot, 2 of pentacles, 2 of wands, and start reading. What does that mean in the tarot? So duality. What is duality? Sometimes what seems to be true, perhaps it's a lie, and you're in between. And there are so many messages that can be delivered by number 2, okay? But it's the time that is being delivered to you. It's when you ask something, when you resonate, when you are seeking for answers, here you go, 222. So what did you ask? What are you expecting? Where are you heading, actually? Because synchronicities is the way of the alien form of life to communicate with you, which is you. I know it sounds strange. Your higher self. It's your alien version of you, the true version of you, that also is the creator of all the universe, God, as you might call it. So open your eyes and see and listen when it happens. And remember, don't go searching out. Go first within, then go into logic. Okay, there is a correlation between numbers and so many other things. Go and search it. Search the correlation between the number. No 222 meaning. What is number 2? What it represents in your own reality. What is number 3? Do we have 3 major elements in nature or 5? What is 5? It's magic. There is magic all around you. And I invite you to dive deep into the magic of the universe. And not only find the easy way, which is typing in Google and get what they want you to see. Go within. Open your realm of knowledge by reading more and not allowing just what it comes to influence you, but you must dive even deeper and see and judge and have experiences that it will define that, yeah, number 2 is this, number 3 is this, yeah, I get it now. I feel it. I'm in the path. Namaste. Hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, notification bell, and I will see you in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned.